gas water heater died at your home. Don't just swap it. Do you know heat pump water requires like 60% less energy than regular electric water heaters? Retrofit a heat pump water heater and slash energy bills 60%. So, how heat pump water heater is working different than gas heater or electric water heater? So here's the thing. They operate on this refrigeration cycle basically. You've got an evaporator, a compressor, a condenser, and this valve called a TXV. Instead of creating heat directly like a normal heater, they're moving heat from the air into the water. Like most of these installs are emergency replacements, not planned ones, so you can't just assume everything's going to be perfect. What do you actually need to check before you swap one in? You gotta verify airflow requirements of heat pump water heater, electrical capacity of building, service clearance requirements, and how you're going to handle the condensate drainage. If any of that's a nightmare, honestly you might pick a different heater instead of forcing it. If your closet or mechanical room is too small, you might need louvers or to move the whole thing to ensure enough airflow for heat pump water heater. Though, you can't louver into bedrooms or offices, but can louver into exterior hallways or rooms with heat loads instead. Can we duct it to the attic? No, because of condensation. You have to have the ductwork outside the building envelope basically. Can we reuse old ducts for gas water heaters? Maybe. It depends on the size and length. Sometimes they work, but you gotta check the specs first. Ducting should be carefully considered to avoid condensation issues, with outdoor ducts improving thermal comfort but adding installation costs. Installers should assess existing water heater problems, such as noise and heat distribution, to enhance the placement of HPWHs. If gravity drain is not a possible solution for condensate management, you need to use a condensate pump, or sometimes you can tie into an existing AC drain if you have one. Insulate the pipes, rebalance the flow, redesign the loop. Check the flow speed in the recirculation loop. We want it under 5 feet per second. Early heat pump water heaters in North America required 240-volt circuits, necessitating additional wiring in gas-heated buildings. Manufacturers have since introduced 120-volt models that utilize existing circuits, reducing installation costs, although these models have lower recovery rates compared to their 240-volt counterparts. It's crucial to compare the first-hour domestic hot water production ratings when replacing traditional units and consider larger tank sizes or higher storage temperatures to meet demand. Replacement water heaters for older units have evolved due to changes in energy standards and production methods, meaning direct replacements may not be available after the service life of current models. To ensure easier future replacements, it is advisable to install isolation and service valves between the water heater and the domestic water system. Like and subscribe to the channel. Stay engaged with our HVAC-focused videos and help promote energy-efficient practices for future generations.